Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Traditionally, most people think of guacamole as a dip. Even when tortilla chips aren't available, people dip vegetables into the guacamole dip. But, could guacamole also be a spread? Due to the health benefits of avocados, many people use guacamole as a sandwich spread.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The primary ingredient of guacamole is avocado. Although high in fat, it's the healthy monounsaturated variety. According to the American Heart Association, when healthy monounsaturated fats are in moderation in place of saturated and trans fat, this can help lower the LDL bad cholesterol.
Take our lead.
Jax's answer. When Spanish conquistadors tasted the original guacamole invented by the Aztecs, the Spanish words for perfection and mind-blowing euphoria were already taken. They settled for guacamole because it sounded like aguacate, the Spanish word for avocado, and guacamole, the Aztec name for guacamole.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It's the avocado, of course. The health benefits of guacamole primarily come from the avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fat, which boosts brain function and health. It is one of the good plant-based fats that can help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.